Hi everyone, I'm Mike, South Florida firefighter, here with Drone Nerds to go over one of the best UAV enterprise drones in the industry, the DJI M30T. Today we're going to go over some of the key features and overlooked items on the drone and the remote controller. A very useful feature of the M30T for public safety is the ability to do multi-recording. The multi-recording feature enables you to go back and look at all 4 camera views. Your wide angle, your zoom, your thermal, and a hybrid of all, while switching in real time with the remote controller to look at your view. Now let's take a look at setup time on the M30T. We know that this drone is light and compact, but we're going to get real time from car to deployment. Time is of the essence when doing search and rescue, and it's much quicker to deploy a drone than a helicopter. One of my favorite features is the ability to just use my left thumb to access the zoom and then back to the color palette. Then I can go back to a wide angle and then a zoom camera without ever touching the screen. Then my spot metering is my L3. I can go and get a spot meter, as you can see. Over here on the right hand side is my zoom, 40, 80, 160 and 200 times zoom for quick easy access. Then I can back out and then I can go right into my FPV view. These are some of the key features and overlooked components on the M30T and the remote controller. Feel free to reach out at experts@dronenerds.com or leave a comment below with any further questions. Once again, I'm Mike. Have a nice day.